Jim Higgins.
Yes, yes.
We together, if you care enough for the living,
It's a better place for you and for me. Oh, you the world. Oh, make it a better place for you and for me. A place for you and for me. Come on, you and
for me.
Must remember, this man is not only a family man, he managed artists.
Yo, so
We
he
are-
wants to
we are
see
here.
it out potentially.
Yeah.
Touch my CV. I'm taking CVs.
Yo.